Welcome to Market Astrology and Horoscope. This is Yasko, and this is the weekly market prediction. And it's titled Bulls Climax Vaguely. This is June 8th to 12th. Relentless bulls just kept on going. I hear the jets, ETFs were skyrocketing. On Friday, even the president said that Warren Buffett should have stayed with the airlines. On Friday, the day of the lunar eclipse, was the climax and the harbinger of what's to come in the future. I think everyone is now very aware of the new ambiance. Optimism and euphoria. Optimism turns into euphoria depending on the circumstance. Bulls going higher and almost unbelievably euphoric. Protesters feeling optimistic about their cause also got euphoric. We have now shifted gears, and as predicted in the past videos, this lunar eclipse was the climactic event, a complete turnaround in the unemployment numbers that sent stocks roaring like thunder and shook the skies with over 800-point jump in the Dow. That is the real truth. Well, I think that's also an oxymoron. The real truth about eclipses. That's why we use the expression that something is eclipsed. So who got eclipsed or what got eclipsed? Retrograde Venus. The currency market was eclipsed. Have you been watching the South Korean won? The Turkish lira? Oh, the South Korean won's been sliding down, down, down. So we are going to visit the currencies later, so tune in on the solar eclipse 21st of this month, which will be starting after next week. I'm glad to see Bitcoin bulls took profits. As I said, Wednesday would be a manipulative day of trading. I'm talking about this past Wednesday. Airline-related stocks got off the ground quite well and everything followed suit. I think the disciplined bulls were taking profits and buying the soon-to-bloom stocks. You'll have other opportunities to go long again. That is why I titled the last video, Bulls Take Profits. I think selling high would have been the prudent thing to do. That lunar eclipse was the game changer. This is why be careful when trying to assess matters of win or lose when a planet is too close to the sun. It's retrograding for a reason. The reason is to avoid getting burned by the sun's ray. But as you will see that Venus did get burned. But I'm going to have to take that up on another video. Monday, there will be lots of manipulative tactics used, apparent or not. There will be complications from the start, so watch the pre-market. It looks like the market is headed lower and the extended hours should be watched carefully. That means after the close on Monday, because the stocks could go lower. Tuesday, the stocks again could come under pressure, but should recover by the close. The open is more harsher than the close. The early session is given to sudden jitters of changes. It's about reorganization of portfolio or shifting from one sector to another, taking profits from the highs and rotating to the lower price sectors. Wednesday, the morning session is favorable, but going into the close, the energy peters out or the market fades. Overall, the close really is much to do about nothing. There could be a lack of interest and traders could decide not to take action. Thursday is an interesting day. The energy shifts to cautiousness. Be careful. Friday, the market could start well but end sharply chaotic. When in doubt, get out. Oil market could be the possible problem as well as the vaccine or pharma stocks. Some gotta win and some gotta lose. So good luck trading. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so this channel can be ranked higher in search. Some people are still having a hard time finding this channel when searching. Thank you for tuning in.